Hello everyone, welcome back to MQL5 Mastery, your one place to unbiased EA reviews. Today's video is going to be a bit different, and in today's video I'm gonna expose the top ranking EA with the name of Quantum Emperor EA, which is available for MT4 and MT5 both. So I'm gonna talk about the real reason why this EA is on the top. Is it because of luck, performance, or simply a scam? This EA is having more than 122 positive reviews, which blows my mind. So out of curiosity, I wanted to investigate and know more about this expert advisor, because I have never seen 5 stars on all the reviews with this big number. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the live signal monitoring history record. After that, I'm gonna talk about the developer and gonna be exposing him as well. So stay tuned guys, and don't go anywhere because this video is going to be very interesting. Basically, the reason of making this video is because we developers works our ass off day and night to provide legitimate tools to traders. And then there are some people who comes across just to scam people or do fraud. So without wasting any time, let's get to the point. Expose number 1. This developer, Bogdan Ion Puscasu, who has made Quantum Emperor EA, which is the top ranked MQL5 expert advisor, doesn't even know coding, and here's the proof of that. So as you can see over here in the screen, in this particular screenshot, he has written a post over here asking for help to fix his code. Over here, as you can see, can anyone help me fix it? So over here, as I have written, asking for help in coding and fixing errors. So this guy doesn't even know how easy this error was to fix. Okay, so this is number 1 thing. Okay, just keep this in mind guys. So after his post, the moderator has replied to him, and if you look over here, then he is also even saying that he can provide the source code of his expert advisor or indicator. And after that, the moderator has replied, if you are trying to publish it as a market product, then you are not the coder for this product as per market rules. So over here, the moderator himself has exposed this guy. And also here, the moderator has written, given that it is for a market product, then you should have the original author fix it or hire someone else to fix it for you, given that you do not know how to do it yourself. So this clearly exposed this guy that this is a no coder. Expose number 2. Fake reviews or non-organic reviews. Yes guys, you heard it right. Reviews on Quantum Emperor EA are not real. How? Let me show you the proof. In this screenshot, you can clearly see that the developer is announcing that with Quantum Emperor EA, you will get Quantum Trade or Quantum Gold Emperor EA free. It sounded suspicious to me. So I sent a text to the developer with stating that I want to buy the Quantum Emperor EA and asked for the free EA as well. Here's the screenshot of our chat. So as you can see up over here in this screenshot, I have written a message that I want to buy this Quantum Emperor EA and how I'm gonna get the free EA. I asked the developer. Okay, so he replied with that there is an ongoing promotion going on, and if I purchase Quantum Emperor EA and later decide to leave a positive review, guys, look at this. He is asking me to leave a positive review after testing it for a week. Okay, so and he's saying that we would be delighted to offer you a complimentary license. So the free EA he is mentioning in his post is not completely free. It will be with a complimentary license for a month, for 2 months maybe, something like that. Okay, so this proves that the reviews he is getting on his Quantum Emperor EA are not organic. He is giving greed to the people, and in return of that greed, he is getting all those positive reviews. Because if you will investigate a little bit further, then you will know that people are purchasing this EA, testing for a week, and then leaving a review. Okay, so those people are those which who has been trapped in this developer's trap. So this was the expose number 2. So now expose number 3. So many purchases, as you see over here, it is showing that 66 purchases per month. I thought there should be some strong background or history record of this EA performance. That should be there, right? Then I looked into the live signal available. So now, as you can see, only and only 4 months of history record is there. Okay, so basis on which you cannot judge EA's performance, which clearly means that people are not buying the EA based on its performance, which is very clear. Okay, so now time for the conclusion. So clearly this guy has managed to generate non-organic reviews by giving greed. Okay, this guy is a non-coder and there is no strong history record of the EA's performance as well. So this states that this guy is just trapping innocent people into its trap, and he is really good at it. So I would like to request all the traders out there watching my video, stop getting trapped and search before you go for some EAs. I hope this video will help you, and let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. And if you like this expose of Quantum Emperor EA and its developer, give it a thumbs up guys, and subscribe my channel for more content like this. Happy trading.